Kasi natuloy din ako.
Yes, sir.
Teka, salamat. Gusto kayo?
Ayos naman, sir. Good afternoon. EDS, sir, from Tasna, Iloilo.
Si Ma'am Janet. Dito lang ba tayo? Ito pala, nag-change venue na yung residence. Oh. Enjoy mo lang. Sige. At the same time, she's also the director. Pero gusto ko
Kailangan pa kayo
wag mo tries dito.
Yes, sir.
Kasi hindi ko masasabi mo kung tayo na work yung job para sa isang sabi. Ano na 1 hour lang?
To everyone, Regional Director Ramon Evantino sir. Hindi siya nakaikot para nung bago siya umalis ng 53rd. So, this is the time na makausap niya kayo heart to heart. Let us welcome Regional Director Ramon Evantino, is the Regional Director of TESDA Region 6.
Seated. Kung pualit. Okay, allow me please to greet my ARD, also the Iloilo PD of TESDA, Ma'am Esther. Salamat natin. Actually, kailangan nyo naman siya eh. And also some of the members of my team, si Dr. Janet from the administrator of PASI and the assistant secretary. So, siyempre lang tayo, sa kapunta ko ng Marawi, nakausap ko yung 50-50 engineer PA, yung 551, yung 553 ECP, which were my units under me when I was the lead commander. Since nandito na ako, let me just remind you, I was a service, I have been out already for 4 years now. What I'm saying, I have no regret joining the armed forces. Meron tayong entitlements as well. But of course, you have to help yourself. First of all, you have to be willing to learn and apply what you learn. No? Hindi natin sasayangin yung resources of government in this state. Okay? Okay, madamong salamat and good luck sa inyo, mga teammates from the Army. 53rd Engineer Team.
Thank you, sir, for from the Eager Beaver Battalion, sir. Talagang dito ginawa, sir.
Napanahon yung defense sila.
Yan, i-test na talaga.